They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but let's be real. Some mornings, we are just trying to grab a bite before the chaos begins. Ever tried making a sandwich while mentally running through your to-do list? That's exactly what's happening here. Hey there, welcome back to This Mom Can. It's half-term break, but I've got to step into the office for a bit. Before I go, I need to fix myself something to eat. As moms, we pour so much into everyone else, our kids, our families, our work, but we can't pour from an empty cup. We need to fuel ourselves so we can fuel others. Sometimes we get so busy that we forget to eat, or we push it aside. But we have to remember, taking care of ourselves is just as important. Eating well keeps us strong, sharp, and ready to take on the day. For ourselves, for our children, and for the work we do. That's why today, I'm making a quick and delicious fish sandwich. Something simple, packed with flavor and easy to put together. I grab my bowl, drain the oil from the mackerel and flake it nicely. Then, I go and chop black olives and jalapeno pepper for a little kick, a good mix and generous scoop of mayonnaise. And just like that, we have the perfect filling. I spread it onto my bread and voila, breakfast is set. Just as I'm wrapping up, my daughter walks in, eyes locked on the toaster. She's making her own ham sandwich. Love to see it. It's always great to let them handle little kitchen tasks. These small moments teach them responsibility, independence, and of course, the joy of a good sandwich. And there you have it, breakfast done in minutes. What's your go-to morning meal when you're rushing out the door? Share your tips and let's keep inspiring each other. Until next time, keep rocking that mom life because this mom can.